Hi, my name's Adam, and I'm an audio plugin shill. Yeah, I know. I'm worse than the worst criminals in the world. How dare I talk about the tools that I use to get the job done? Maybe I should just keep that information to myself. I'm honestly considering doing that. Because if that's the attitude that most people have, that's what I'll do. And I'll just post some videos, I don't know, about the old stuff that I'm not using anymore, maybe I'll talk about plugins or nothing. I'll just say this is the worst thing, but actually I say it's the best thing. I don't get it. I guess you can't please everybody. At the end of the day, we are all trying to get a job done and solve a problem. In this case, we are trying to enhance our audio, or in some cases, de-enhance it, make it worse with lo-fi plugins. You're trying to manipulate audio signals for whatever purpose you may want. And again, should I keep talking about this stuff? Is that what you guys want? I don't know. Or do you want more, hands-on recording videos? That's where I'm actually going, and then incorporating the plugins that I use to get that done. For example, Native Instruments, they just released a Alicia's Keys Yamaha CP7 virtual instrument, and I'm probably going to be using that in an upcoming song. I'm not going to be composing it. I'm not the musician, but they'll have that in their arsenal now. Should I talk about that release, or should I just pretend like it doesn't exist? Should I pretend like Isotope RX doesn't exist? Because that's a tool I've actually made a decent amount of money from. That one tool, what's the best way to put this? Well, I could just say it like this. Somebody was going through a divorce case, and they had a voicemail from their former spouse, but because the audio wasn't clear enough, they couldn't submit it as evidence, and they wanted me to see if I could get that audio to sound better. And guess what? I could, and it was intelligible. What was said on that phone call, what was said on that voicemail was so important to that case. And RX is what did the job. RX cleaned, I'm the one that did the job, but using RX, without RX, I didn't have a shot in hell of getting that audio fixed. But anyway, by the way, you guys like this painting? It's pretty cool, right? But no. Shilling, I don't know. If demonstrating products is shilling, and then not even, providing a referral link where I make money off of that, a little bit of commission money, which, by the way, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I tell people all the time, try this stuff out for yourself, see if it works for you, see if it's worth the money to even invest in. Invest in assets, not liabilities. For me, I have a large variety of plugins because it's kind of like having different colors. And actually, going back to the painting here, this painting could be completely black and white, but wouldn't that be boring? So we have these different colors on here. Let me get closer. Yeah, that's real paint, guys. So anyway, we could have the same color, but that would be pretty boring, right? So I actually didn't intend to bring the painting into this discussion, but yeah, that kind of makes sense. Also, the paint that was used, very good paint. If you use low quality paint, it takes you longer and it may not do a good job in the end. So yeah, can you get the same results with just, shades of green? Absolutely. But man, the sunset wouldn't look like a sunset if it was all green. You know what I'm saying?